Is that baby getting you? It's okay, it's alright. He's not getting him.
See? Did you just see that? Trixie was standing over her puppy.
What's
I'm
that?
playing with him.
Aww. Trixie, be gentle.
It's fine. Trixie!
Wait, no, leave her. She'll be okay. It's her baby.
No, little one.
That's the fat one. It's the fat one playing with you, Landon. It's the fat one playing with you.
Do you have the wrong nails?
Not anymore. Let me see.
Well, she was tugging on my shirt. She's tugging on my shirt. Watch. She's tugging on my shirt.
Say hi.